Hello guys, this is my new student. I'm gonna ask him some question about school, about life, about future, and he's gonna answer the question correctly. So, hello, how are you?
Hi, my name is Azamjon.
Okay, very good. And when I give you question, Azamjon, try to speak up, okay? Speak loudly, okay? So, what's your name and where you from?
My name is Azamjon. I am from Tajikistan.
Okay, it's nice. And how many people live in your family?
My family live 5 person.
Okay, so who are the 5 person? How many brothers do you have? How many sisters do you have?
Don't have a brother. I have 3 sisters.
Okay.
And
You need to say, I don't have a brother, but I have 3 sisters, okay? And what is your biggest dream in the future?
yeah, I want biggest dream in the future.
What is your biggest dream?
And I want finish school, go to another country.
What country are you interested to go and why? I'm interested.
I'm interested country for me, America.
Why? What do you do in America?
Because America many fantastic city.
America has many fantastic cities, right? And for example, what do you do in America? You study in America, you open a business in America, or you live in America?
I want study in America.
What do you want to study in America? Some people go to study programmer, some people go to study medicine. What do you want to study?
And I want study interpreter.
You want to study interpreter in America, right? And do you have a plan to open any business in the future?
Yeah, I want open business in the future and in America open business.
What kind of business? A car business, a house business, for example, a food supplier. What kind of business?
I want open car business.
You want to open a car business in America, right? It's very nice. And now I'm gonna ask you some question about your friend. Do you have a good friend or bad friend?
I have a good friend.
How many good friends do you have?
I have a 3 good friend.
So now I give you a question, Azam John. Try to not be hurry, okay? When I give you a question, try to wait a little bit, which I can give you a microphone, okay? So do you help your friends, or your friends sometimes help you?
Sometimes I help my friend, and often my friend help me.
It's a very good answer. And what do you usually do in your free time? For example, sometimes maybe you don't go to school, maybe you are sick, maybe you have some problem in your family. That's why you cannot go to school. And what do you do?
And
You can say in my free time. In your free time, what do you do?
my free time go to stadium and another many places with my friend.
Uh, Thank you very much. That sounds very interesting. I hope you have a nice future, and thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.